In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upgrade your Xero subscription. Whether you're a small business owner, a freelancer, or just seeking more features from Xero to make your accounting tasks easier, upgrading your subscription can unlock a host of valuable tools and services. Let's start by navigating your way to the Xero website. Once you're there, you'll find the login button located at the top right corner of the home page. This is your gateway to accessing your Xero account and subsequently upgrading your subscription. After clicking on Login, you'll be prompted to enter your email and password. It's essential to ensure that you're entering the credentials for the account you wish to upgrade. A common pitfall for users with multiple accounts is logging into the wrong one, so double check to make sure. Next, upon successfully entering your details, click on Login. This action will take you directly to your Xero dashboard, a central hub where you can manage your finances, view reports, and access various features depending on your current subscription level. To begin the upgrade process, look for the option Choose a Plan to Buy at the top of your dashboard. This option is designed to be visible and accessible, guiding you effortlessly to the page where you can view the different plans available. On the plan selection page, you're presented with a variety of subscription options, each tailored to meet different needs and business sizes. It's crucial to review these plans carefully, considering factors like the number of invoices you generate monthly, your payroll needs, and whether you require multi-currency support, among others. This decision should align with your business needs and the features that will most benefit you. Once you've selected a plan that fits your requirements, you're ready to click on Continue to Add-ons. This step is particularly exciting because it's here that Xero offers a range of additional services you can incorporate into your subscription. These might include project tracking, expense management, or deeper analytics and insights. Consider what add-ons could further streamline your accounting processes or provide valuable data to support your business decisions. After selecting any add-ons, proceed by clicking on Continue to Billing Account. Xero will then guide you through updating your billing information, ensuring that your account is ready for the upgrade. The next step is crucial. Continue to review and pay. This is your opportunity to review all changes, including your new plan, any selected add-ons, and updated billing information. It's crucial to ensure everything is correct to avoid any surprises in billing or service access. Finally, you'll be asked to give your details, including your credit card. Enter your payment information meticulously. Xero takes security very seriously, so you can feel confident that your details are encrypted and stored securely. With your payment details entered, the last step is to click on Confirm to Purchase. This final confirmation solidifies your subscription upgrade, and with that click you unlock a new level of functionality within Xero tailored to expanding your business potential. It's important to note that these changes take effect immediately, offering you instant access to your new features and add-ons. I recommend taking some time to explore these new tools. Familiarize yourself with any new interfaces, and consider watching additional tutorials or attending webinars specific to your added features or services. Upgrading your Xero subscription is more than just accessing advanced features. It's about investing in your business's efficiency and growth potential. By carefully selecting a plan and add-ons that align with your goals, you position your business to leverage financial insights and streamline processes, ultimately driving success. Remember, should you have any questions about your new subscription or encounter any issues along the way, Xero's customer support team is an excellent resource. They're ready to assist you to ensure that your experience remains smooth and beneficial. Thank you for following along in this tutorial on upgrading your Xero subscription. Enjoy exploring your new features, and here's to making your accounting tasks easier and more productive.